Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ladies and gentlemen.
Dear ladies and gentlemen.
Dear, of course. Today we're gonna introduce you the salsa steps for the absolute beginner. That means you don't know anything about salsa. So we're gonna change directions, so you know we are going forward to this side. So we both start with the left leg. So we do 1, 2, 3. That was the half. So basically we go
basic.
The half basic. We go left 1, replace 2 and 3. To make it a little bit more easier, we go now to this direction. You can see. So we do 1, replace 2 and 3. Now we go back with the right and do 5, replace and 7. Let's do it in the row. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. What I always say is, imagine we are in a center. So this is my center, that's her center, and we always want to come back in our center. So we just go with one leg out of our center, come back to our center on 3, and then the same thing happening with 5 right, 6 and 7. Okay, it should look natural. So what we don't want to do is like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, don't act whatever you want to do, but don't move your hips intentionally. You know, we don't want to do it. Just look normal. If you want to go to the fridge, take a beer in the morning. So okay, so this is really important. So we do it like once more again. If you are sitting on your sofa, come on. Couch potato was yesterday.
Okay.
5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Easy going, right? Now you may think, what about the 4? What about the 8? Good question. You can count. That's really good. So that means 4 and 8, we are not doing steps. We are kind of pausing. So check. 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, 7, 8, pause, 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Okay, these are the basic steps. Make sure, guys and ladies, that your arms are not dead like this. So if you are cooking, you guys or ladies, you know that you always have your arms like this if you want to prepare your food, right? Like this. And the same happens also in salsa. Salsa is also kind of, you know, but it doesn't matter. So you always have your arms like this, not like this, like this, okay? So if you want to prepare food, so we do 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. That's the basic. And as I said as I told you, we are here in the center and we can apply the same thing by going to the left and to the right. Let's try this. We're gonna change the sides. So I'm gonna go with the left, with my left to the left. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, 7, pause, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3 to the front, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3 to the side, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 5, 6, 7 to the side, to the wall. Yo. All right. So this was the side step, and there are more steps. But as I said, I just wanted to show you like the basic step you know? And the last one was a bonus. Bitteschön. Ja. So, die Mortadella quasi am Ende. So, if you are interested in more, we're gonna do it with music, really important. And in the next video, we're gonna show how to dance in partner work, because it's all about that, right? So you wanna dance with someone. So we're gonna show you how to transfer this dancing now into partner work. So you can go tomorrow into the club and say, let's go, amiga, okay? Yeah. But now we're gonna do it first with musica, okay? By the way, we are dancing on the first beat on the music. So we are dancing on a 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah? I imagine you're an absolute beginner, so there are several styles. This is the cross body lead style. Just if you talk about someone, hey, I learned something on YouTube, which is a cross body lead style. Check also the other videos, you're gonna see what I mean, all right? With music. One tip, a really good tip for you, which I actually only mention in my online classes. I have an online school, mysalsasurvival.com, if you want to learn more, just that you know. What we don't want to do, as I said before, like we don't want to go like this, or like this, but also, when I dance, I put my weight on the, only here, on the ball of the foot, so you're fast like 1, 2, 3, and if you go back, the same thing like this, not like this. That's very important. So we don't do this kind of, we don't do this, okay? Sometimes it looks like this, but it's not. So you want to put your weight all in your center, like Messi's doing it with all his balls, you know? He has his gravity in the center, and we, as salseros, we have to do the same thing. Yeah, if you're usually, I know a lot of salsa dancers, they're really good in soccer, and they have a good gravity. So if you do like this, 1, 2, then I'm here again, like 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So I want to make sure to be fast, always going back into the center. So if I do styling, which is not belonging to this video, I put my weight always here in my center, okay? So I do 1, we don't want to do this. This is not what I mean, okay? So we still want to make a step, but on the ball of the foot, if that is the correct English, okay? So same thing here, just as an extra bonus tip that you are now can be a Speedy Gonzalez in salsa, okay?
And for the ladies, it's the same, but if you're dancing in heels, yeah, it's happening automatically.
Yes.
That the weight is on the ball of your foot.
Exactly. Same technique, just different shoes.
Yes.
So guys, that's it. You know, this was the basic salsa. And if you want to know more about salsa, check my online classes, mysalsasurvival.com.
And watch part 2.
And of course, watch the second YouTube video, which is all about partnering. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.